radius. It is Friday. I got the chairs, car jack, then the car jack for the car jack because my car's too low for that one. Some tools, inflator. What else I got here? Drill impact, 2 batteries. Should be plenty. So coolant, oil, water. Water is if my coolant's not enough. 2 helmets. Try out this new mount. Oh yeah. Got the car on the trailer as we speak. So sick. So sick. I also got a 3D printer. So I made myself a little wiper delete plug. I painted it this like silvery chrome because my filament that I got with the printer is like rainbow, and I don't know, I figured I'd just match the tail light with the exact same paint I used in here. But yeah, let me know if you guys want any of these. I mean, I'm gonna try to clean up the print a bit though, make it more smooth, because this is not cool. It doesn't like the concaved, you know, it likes circles, but it doesn't like curves, I guess. But yeah, she's all tied down, ready to go. Gotta pack up a couple more things, and I'll probably just load it onto the truck right now. But yeah, installed this little plug holder. Got the breakaway system here, the battery for it, all good. And installed the controller into the truck. But yeah, pretty hype, ready for tomorrow. Dude, it is so grippy now.
That was so good towards the end though.
Thank you.
That was my favorite run. Some. Give me some. Yeah! Oh my gosh, dude. Every time. was so funny.
What's up, YouTube?
We're out here. Drifting. Oh my gosh! Okay. Perfect, 11 miles till empty. Should be enough to get me on the trailer, right?
Oh, Max is behind us.
Yeah. I think he joined in.
He did? I did
Yeah.
not notice that.
Oh, look at this thing, dude. It's so clean. It is post-event, and obviously, there's some damage to this car. It's kind of a shame because I didn't even break it, like doing a cool like tandem run or anything. I just broke it, you know, going off the track. So we are gonna fix it now, aka drift stitch. I think I just keep working my way up, and then if I need more in between, I can do that. But for now, I want to spread them out. All right, I got my tail lights off, and I got all the mounts off that were kind of broken, but I redid all of the sheathing for these wires. Actually really happy with how this turned out. See, but as you can see, the whole thing just got pulled out, so that's kind of funny. So I gotta figure that out. But at least it's like super clean now. And then here's the other side as well. So it's honestly really satisfying to see. I haven't given much of an update, but as you can see, I stitched this all up down there, here. So it's together. This issue still is a thing. I gotta, you know, get this piece back on. So I think the only way to do that is fiberglassing it back on, because that's a pretty important mount. But I had this idea. The OEM bracket I took off my old bumper, and I think this will help it like stay on now. So I found these little clips. I mean, I'll drill this a little bit bigger here, but that'll go through there. Oop. And then through one of these little holes. Oh my gosh. I mean, that's pretty perfect. So that is holding this bracket in. Again? Oh, I'm so happy that was on video. So this is the area I'm gonna attempt to fiberglass. I got these two little pieces to start out. Never done this before. Got a little tray here, a brush, got the resin, the hardener. I got this little piece. I guess I'll probably use this for the mixing. Yeah, I guess let's just do it, right? My wheel spacers came in the mail, so I installed those. Rear wheel, as you can see, disappears if I go too close. But we go to this side. Bang, get too close. It kind of disappears, but it's still there. Get it from here. You know, for the most part, it's there. But, oh yeah, that's feeling pretty dry. I'm gonna take this clamp off so I can get like some in this little crevice here. All right, got the clamp off, added some more fiberglass right there. Just trying to reinforce it here and here. Then once it's dry, of course I already said, I'm gonna go on the inside as well. So it'll be, you know, no paint, bare fiberglass, but whatever. And then I kind of added some of this resin stuff along the cracks here. Might help a little bit. So, yeah, let this dry overnight.